Snowstorm 2016. You can see the live snowstorm from here. Guys, I'm in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and it's crazy. It's just crazy. If you see down there, that's my car. A few hours ago, you could see the wheels on it, but now one side it's like covered with snow. It's crazy. It's just crazy. Wow. I don't know if you can see this very clearly, but I'll just show you. This is my door, and this is the snow. It's crazy. If you have any questions, put it on comments. I can reply you. They are saying that it's around about 30 to 35 inches of snow with accumulation. If you see this gusty winds, it's at around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Just insane. Just insane. That car is like covered with snow. You can't even see anything. Stay safe, everyone, especially on the East Coast, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Philly. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's all over my face now. Wow. Wow. Check this out. Oh my God. The visibility is like probably a mile or something. You can't even see. The visibility is just 1 mile. Oh, you can't do anything against nature. Nature is amazing. Alright. Take care, guys. Have fun. Be safe. Everyone who's around East Coast.